Good morning, student. Standard 8th. Our second lesson, new lesson, it is going on parallel lines and transversal. Okay, parallel lines and transversal. Now see, parallel lines about we are studied. What we are studied? The line which are not intersect each other. That lines it is called as a parallel lines. And the lines which are intersecting, they are called intersecting line. Now suppose if I drawn this way, now here you may be said they are not intersecting, but the lines are extending both the side. When you extend it, anywhere they will intersect only. So the line which are means the distance between two lines, it is always same even though are extending. Such a lines it is called as a parallel lines. Now what is mean by any two lines? Now suppose I drawn this way, line L and line M. Now see, they are not parallel lines because when I extend, it will intersect, they are intersecting line. Then such a two lines, any two lines, if a third line, another line, which intersect these two lines in a two distinct point. Two distinct point means two different point. This line, I will just denote it is as a T line. Then T line intersecting the line L and M in a two distinct point. Such a line it is called as a transversal. Understood? This is called as a transversal and the distance between these two lines means AB, segment AB, it is called as a intercept. Intercept. These are called intercept. So two lines in it. Now here these are intersecting any two lines. One line which is intersecting in a two distinct point, it is called as a transversal. Now because of this is transversal, if two lines I drawn and transversal T, suppose small a and b are two lines and D is a transversal intersecting this line in a point, suppose P and Q. Now P and Q, how many angles they are forming? Just I will numbering it. See how many angles they are forming. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6, here 7, here 8. Means total 8 angles are forming. And this year we are going to study the different pairs of the angles. See, last year you are studied supplementary angle, complementary angle, even we are studied the angle in a linear pair, vertically opposite angle. All these are type we are studied. You have to be remember not to forget it. And this year we are going to different types of pair, but when it is forming, when any two lines are intersected by a third line in a two distinct point, means any two lines intersected by transversal, then these angles are forming and their pairs are there. Now first pair we will consider. How many I said angles are forming? It is a total 8 angles are there. Then first pair, it is a corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, it is a corresponding angles. Now corresponding angles means it is a pair is there. Now which are the corresponding angle? Once again I am drawing a two lines and suppose x and y, mine are two lines and the P is a mine transversal. It is intersecting, suppose a point here A and here B. Now what is mean by corresponding angle? Above this I am just sign doing, this is called as a corresponding angle. Now suppose small a, small b, this is a one pair corresponding angle. Then here C and here D, it is another pair. Then here E and here F, it is another. Here G and here H, means angle A and angle B, angle C and angle D, angle E and angle F, angle G and angle H. These are the pairs of a corresponding angle. One more we will see the example for a corresponding angle with a different labeling I will show. Suppose this is my 2 and this is my transversal. Suppose again XY and I am taking as a P. It is suppose here I will number it 1 and 2, above 1 and 2, then 3 and 4, then downside 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Means these are the pair called as, means this one pair with this. If I put here sign with this, if I put here star with this, and if I put a triangle with this, like that the pairs of a corresponding angle. How many pairs we got a corresponding angle? 4 pairs. 4 pairs. Now after that second one, it is a alternates angle. Okay, first I will show interior angle. Interior angles. Now interior angles, how, which are they? Once again I am drawing two lines and intersected by a transversal, suppose A and B, and capital small t is a mine transversal. Now intersecting point I am not giving because I will just give the angle. Which angles are interior angle? Interior means inside. This is mine, suppose X, this is Y. X and Y, it is a pair of interior angle. Z and W, it is a pair of interior angle. Means angle X and angle Y, one pair, and angle Z and angle W, this is another pair. See, we are studied here. If I said number 1, I just rub out na, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. How many we got a pair? 4 pairs. Interior angles, how many pairs we got? 2 pairs. And the third one, it is more topic, it is a alternates angle. Alternate angle, there are 2 subtopic, interior alternate angle and exterior alternate angle. In that first one, interior alternate angle, and B is a exterior alternate angle. Now interior I will just show you. Once again mine 2 lines are there, transversal is there, T. Okay, now interior means the inside. Suppose this is X, this is Y in a cross, and this is a P and this is a Q. These are called interior alternate angle. How many pairs are there? 2. Angle X and angle Y, angle P and angle Q. This is 2 pair. And exterior, once again I will draw 2 lines and transversal. Suppose this is XY and this is Z is a transversal. Now exterior means what? Outside. Outside here mine A and there cross here B. And exterior here my C and there it is a cross, it is a D. These are called as a exterior angle, alternate exterior angle. Angle A and angle B, one pair, and angle C and angle D. See what we are studied. We are studied the 2 lines intersected by a transversal. They are forming 8 angles. In that we are studied the 4 corresponding angle pairs, 2 interior angles pair, and 4 alternate angles are pair. In that alternate, 2 are there interior angle and 2 are there exterior angle. All these pairs you have to just see. See here in your textbook they are given. So practice set 2.1 you have to solve it. Okay, and you have to draw any diagram and you have to check it. Understood? You just what you have to do, angles, okay, corresponding angle pair, that one I just said you. Here definition you write all this, corresponding angle, interior, corresponding angle definition write, diagram do, angles name write, interior angle definition write, diagrams do, angles right. Similarly for alternate also, and then you have to write a practice set. Okay, then today we will stop here. Next time we will see our next topic. Okay. Goodbye.